Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue our sixth unit, adventures, activity, and their safety equipment. So first is rock climbing. What is rock climbing? Rock climbing is an activity in which participant climbs up or down or across natural rock formation, and the goal is to reach the summit or top of a formation. In rock climbing, a participant climbs up onto the rock formation, and the goal to reach onto the top of formation or end point of a predefined route without falling. Okay? To successfully complete the climb, one must return to base of the route safely, and rock climbing is physically and mentally demanding sport. Okay, means a sportman can do this mountain rock climbing, and it often tests the climber's strength. In rock climbing, tests the climber's strength, endurance, agility, and balance along with mental control. And what are the equipments which are used in rock climbing? Rock climbing is dangerous activity, thus proper knowledge of climbing techniques and uses of specialized climbing equipments are required for safety, such as climbing shoes. So this is the equipment: climbing shoes, climbing chalk, climbing rope, harness, this is the decorative material, carabiner, it is a kind of hook, and clippers, that is cutter, and belay device, it controls the rope, and bolts, axes, patterns, climbing helmet, safety belt and safety boots are required in rock climbing. And next is mountaineering. Here, mountaineering or mountain climbing is an age-old activity of climbing up or scaling the steep slope of mountain. Steep slope mountain means here 50 foot or greater vertical slope, vertical rise of mountain, and mountain side in hopes of reaching the summit or top. And nowadays it has turned up as a sport hobby. This mountaineering turned as a sports hobby or profession, and mountaineering began as attempt to reach the highest point of climbed or unclimbed big mountain. Mountaineering is a branch into three parts: rock craft, this is a part of mountaineering; snowcraft and skiing. Mountain climbing involves numerous activities like such as snow, ice or rock climbing, snow climbing, camping, and backpacking, etc. And mountaineering requires a lot of experience, athletic ability, high altitude training, and technical knowledge to maintain safety. And what are the equipments required in mountaineering? It also requires specialized tools and equipments like snow climbing shoes and snow cutter, hats, axe, climbing rope, nails, harness, carabiners, clippers, belay device, and trekking. Trekking compass, boards, patterns, safety belts, climbing helmet, safety hooks, snow gloves, high energy packet food, etc. are required. These are the equipments in mountaineering. What is trekking? Here, trekking is a long adventurous journey, undertaken, started in foot in areas where common means of transport are generally not available. So trekking is also difficult journey. Trekkers should use natural resources and consider safety principles. The trekker should enjoy the mother nature and shoot photography of scenic beauty. The trekker should not spoil or disturb the nature where flora fauna should be appreciated by tracker. And what are the equipments are required for this trekking? Here the tracker should prepare properly for the trekking, and they should carry important required materials like tent, sleeping bag, water bottle, mug, pen, rope, and safety kit, first aid kit, trekking map of area, knife, binocular, backpack, etc. And next is the river of rafting. What is river rafting here? You can see picture river rafting. River rafting is also named as the white water rafting. And it is a challenging recreational outdoor activity using a boat or raft to navigate over the flow of river. And raft is lightweight, multi-layer, rubberized boat. This is raft is the boat of rubber, made of rubber and filled with air. You can see the picture. Its chambers enabling it to float on water. Means the raft's chamber enables it to float on river water, and this is usually done over fast flowing river or stream in order to provide thrill or excitement. And by rafting we can get excitement or thrill or enjoyment, and the development of this activity as leisure sports has become popular in Himalayan river. This activity is dangerous if safety measures are not considered. And these are the equipments required in rafting. The equipment for this activity: safe raft, swimsuit, life jacket, raft push, by which we push the water. Knowledge of swimming is required, and following the expert of lifeguard instructions, knowledge about river flow and its curve, safe destination point. So these are the equipments required for river rafting. Next is surfing. What is surfing here? It is a water sport in which the wave rider referred as a surfer. Means wave rider, the rider, and he is the surfer, rides on moving weight balancing on the surfing board. Okay, you can see the surfing board there, and the wave usually carrying the surfer near the shore. That wave of the water, it carries the surfer near the shore, and the waves suitable for surfing are primarily found in ocean, sea, lake, or in rivers in form of standing wave or tidal boards. And equipment required for this surfing board, swimsuit, and life jacket is required. Next is paragliding. Here paragliding, it is a recreational, thrilling and competitive adventure sport of flying with paraglider. Okay, and paraglider is a lightweight, free flying, foot-launched glider aircraft with no rigid primary structure, and the pilot sits in a harness suspended below a fabric wing consisting of a large number of interconnected and baffle cells. So here the pilot sits in a harness, means decorated, suspended, means hanging, and below a fabric wing consisting of a large number of interconnected. So that the wings are interconnected, and wing shape is maintained by its suspension lines and by skillful exploitation of sources of lift. And the pilot may gain height and often climbing to an altitude of few thousand meters. The paraglider should follow the instructions of single lifeguard or should be accompanied by expert. He should consider safety measures during this activity. And these were the adventurous activity and safety equipments of all these things: paragliding, trekking, etc.